Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm going to also point you through some of the major talking points and features of this wonderful 420D M Sport Coupe that's presented in the mineral grey. Alongside that, we've also fitted, of course, a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, and also added some of the stunning 20-inch 795M Mperformance style alloy wheels, which again are all brand new and presented in the satin grey. They've also got brand new tyres on all the way around. This is a 2015 15 plate. Comes up front with the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, as you can see there. Moving on down the side of the car, you'll be able to see how highly presented this vehicle really is. Everything in fantastic condition on the exterior. Gloss black side air breathers with our satin side vinyls, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. The car comes equipped with BMW's superb M Sport Plus pack, so you can see behind those alloy wheels the fabulous M Sport Plus brakes, alongside the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, and a few other items that is included in that package, all of which I'll point out shortly. Interior, again, all in fantastic condition and is made up of the black Dakota leather, which comes in the front with the heated and electric lumbar options. We also get that fabulous Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to that Plus pack. And we'll show you in the rear where you'll find an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central folding armrest and storage tray. And again, darkened M Sport headlining, looking very nice, situated against all of that black Dakota leather. Moving round to the rear of the car, again showing you off those very nice alloy wheels, sitting very nicely against that mineral grey exterior colour. At the back of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and the satin rear diffuser. And we'll open up the boot, show you around, and of course we'll show you how much space you will have should you choose to go for a coupe variant of the 4 Series. Sorry about the light shining through there, that's just how shiny the paintwork is. And you'll also see the genuine floor mats also accompanying the car, along with the split folding seat option as well. Closing that down, we'll head round once again to the other side of the car, and I can show you the wonderful mineral grey in its fullest, thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom today. And also, again, an overall condition look at this fabulous Coupe 4 Series. We'll now move on. I'm going to go through into the interior and just start the car up and run you through a couple of the features and functions in a bit more detail. It comes with that lovely 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, so you'll notice straight away the flappy pedals are situated on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, along with the cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls.
And talking of Scotland, this is a beautiful tech.
Another nice feature is this professional wide navigation and media screen we also have. So I'll run you through those features. First of all, you will have seen the DAB list. There is the navigation screen, of course. We've also got Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio, and a wide array of other multimedia inputs covering you right the way through for Bluetooth audio, USB and AUX inputs. Down here is where you'll find the dual climate control, again also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. And if we go down into vehicle information, I can also show you the vehicle service history and service status of this lovely Coupe 4 Series. Next oil service is not due for 6,000 miles and does come with full BMW service history, again all visible now for you. Current mileage for the car is just over 67,000 miles, again as you can see there. So in summary, what we have is a very nice, clean and tidy, very nicely spec'd 420D M Sport Coupe. I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around video and of course been able to find it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. Whereas always, I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Relevant contact links can be found of course in the description, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.